Good day investors, welcome to the 5th of June 2014 market review. Looking at the trade of today, it's called African Rainbow Minerals, code ARI. Latest trading price is R192.54. Entry level could be R192.75. The action is to buy from a low level to a high level. Target almost R207.11. Stop loss price is R185.57. What you basically see here, the share could actually break this blue line here. That's the entry of 192.75, and it can go to the green line, that's R207.11. If it doesn't want to go bounce up, please use the stop loss level of R185.57. Tiger Brands, TBS, also trade idea, latest trading price R293.50. The idea is to play it from a high to a low. Entry level R292.01, and your target is going to be R266.13. Stop loss on this trade is R304.95. AECI, also trading idea, trading from a low to a high. Latest trading price is R118.95. Entry level R119.38, and your target could be almost be R128.24. Please use the stop loss level of R114.95. These are still open trades. Investec, Standard Bank, Vodacom and Remgro. And this is the current performances of the specific open trades at this time. Looking at the top 40 shares, blue line is the index price, red line is resistance, green line is support, and as you can see it's still going upwards here in a positive direction. Tested previous highs in the last day or two. We need to see basically where the markets could go. Looking at the industrials, that's the Dow Jones of the American markets. There's a bit of a high point there. They came a bit down. Yesterday they were about 16-20 points up, ending on 16,736 points. Still in a positive channel here. Everybody will keep their eyes on the European Central Bank meeting today with regards to the stimulus and interest rates. So the markets will be really slightly aware of the news coming late this afternoon. J200. J200, that's the top 40 shares. Went to a bit of highs, coming a bit down, still in a positive channel, still above the green line, that's the 21-day moving average, still showing a bit of a slightly movement upwards. Let's go to some of the shares quickly. Retailers, here's ShopRite. There's the black line or the black channel. Lows, highs coming down. Currently trading down to 160.90. Low years was 161.13. Now we need to see if this tendency could still go down here. And next low regards to the Fibonacci is 156.48. And the expectancy could be that it could go there, but be aware that the markets will look at bargain hunting very soon as well. Mr. Price. Mr. Price actually broke through this channel here upwards. Let me zoom in here. That was between the red and the top there, breaking the highs upwards, going a bit higher there, and it got a bit of support as well for movement upwards. Woolies is coming down here, currently ending on 73.39 yesterday. We broke through the 75.25, 73.70s. Next level of expectation about 72.46, 72.50. We saw a bit of buying coming into the shares in volumes yesterday afternoon, late afternoon as well. But let's see where the direction could be. The share was quite toppish as well. Now this is my problem. I'm going to draw up here, and this is a support line. And looking at the support line here, this could be very, very important to follow this level here. At any time if it breaks the 73 rand level, share could have an opportunity to break definitely back to 72.46. So we need to see after this bounce up, bounce down, bounce up, bounce down, if there's going to be a sustainable buy starting to come into the specific trading again in the short term. Let's go to the banks. Barclays Bank, still trading sideways, came down, broke the 21-day moving average, tested this to 23.6% on 152.52. Expectation, if it breaks this 154 levels, it can most probably go back to the 158 levels. Still in the sideways pattern here for me, no basic big direction on this specific share. Capitec, trading at 218 Rand, broke to 220 downwards. Next expectation is about 216.51, but we need to see what the banking sector is going to do as well after the sideways movement of uncertainty in the markets. Let's go to the telecommunication groups. MTN, still stable, breaking up, more break up than breakdown. Shares doing well at this moment, testing new highs of almost 228.49 at this moment as well. Vodacom. Now there's the concern, Vodacom bottom, top. There could be most probably a bit of an upward swing happening here. Shares trading at 127.90. That's at the bottom of the small channel. 126, 127. If it actually can break this 120, 127, 128 level here on the green line, going back to 150s back on the table. But very important, these two highs here, it's about 132, 133. If you can go back to 128, next high 133. If you can break this high in this positive channel, 135 could be next on the table here. Looking at some indicators, there's a bit of a push-up happening here on the indicators here, RSI, also a bit of a push-up. So yes, this could be the bottom of Vodacom, starting to lift up very soon. Stochastics is a bit slow at this moment, but we need to see if this could actually go forward. CFR still in the upward channel, didn't go from the top back to the bottom here, still positive, looks just similar like MTN at this moment. Barloworld. Now Barloworld is quite interesting at this moment. I'm going to take two channels here and just going to draw it up for you. And as you can see, there's a bit of a sideways downward channel here, and this is actually beautiful. There's the two tops or three tops, there's the bottoms, downward channel, tested close to the 61.9% here, actually testing the 200-day moving average. Now very important that you need to track here. Shares trading at 102. The two levels that needs to be looked at very carefully, 105.82 and a level of 99. At any time if it breaks this channel upwards, it could go back to the 115s. Otherwise, in this blue channel, breaking the 200, next low is 99. Expectation is, in a downward channel, rather wait for the up break to happen in the top before you enter for long. Otherwise, still downward channels, but the next low could be 99 Rand, and it's currently trading 102, that's about 3 Rand movement. Rather wait for this movement to happen, and that's the share that I will keep track of in the next day or two as well. Enjoy your trading.